who described hearing screaming and banging inside of an apartment where a woman was found dead. Let's get right out to On Your Side's Leah Shields. She's on scene right now. She's been working overnight into the early morning to gather the very latest details.
We're giving you a different angle of this half hour. So this is the front of the apartment complex, and still, again, a very active scene. Police aren't leaving this scene. Doesn't seem anytime soon. We have it blocked off here. So this is the front of the apartment complex where this happened. Police and detectives, as well as crime scene evidence technicians, have been going in and out of it throughout the morning. Now, this homicide adds to the numbers that we talked about yesterday on First Coast News, already surpassing the number of homicides last year in Jacksonville. So this one specifically, JSO says they got a call around 9 p.m. for a disturbance. They checked the apartment and found a woman dead inside. Now, witnesses in the area heard the commotion. They described seeing a man running from the scene wearing all black. JSO conducted an extensive search with canines overnight, but no luck, no suspect in custody. The report originally came to us as a shooting, though, but police right now not exactly saying what happened.
We're still working through her injuries. Like, she will go to the medical examiner's office and have an autopsy conducted. So at this point, to protect the integrity of the investigation, I'm not going to release her injuries, the cause of her injuries at this time.
So police are still looking for the suspect. They do say this is an isolated incident. Whether this was a domestic situation or not, that's something they're still investigating. Leah Shields, First Coast News, On Your Side.
Thank you.